Hi, this is Topman Paul-Dike, and here is my calculator beat with Python Tkinter during the Python Development Internship with CodeClause. This is how it works. Let us begin with a basic arithmetic operation, 12 plus 4. Now I can make reference to that answer, to the last answer by pressing this answer button, and then it works. I can find the square root of this by pressing this button here. The input is as well controlled so that if you enter an arithmetic operator after another one, the current one will replace the former one. And dot will not work in this case because it has to be used in a valid manner. For example, if I press 2 and press this dot, it works now. If I press 5 and press the dot, it doesn't work. That is also how the caret button works for raise to power. So if I say raise to power 2 and try to press it again, it doesn't display, it doesn't work. Now there's a backspace button here that deletes only one character, and there's also a clear button that removes everything. Now I can calculate negative value by pressing this button to make it minus, So minus 8 plus 6. Alright, I can also receive inputs from the keyboard. For example, if I press the Meta or Alt key, the right one, it will work as the answer button, right, to produce the last answer. If I try to enter any rubbish here in the keyboard, it will not enter. It has to be valid, either a number or one of these signs here that are allowed. So the enter button works like the equal to button. And in Python Tkinter, having your keyboard work in your app is a different thing. You have to bind the key press events to certain functions for it to execute this way. Otherwise, it will not work. Right? That's why it's able to work, how to do that. And so valid characters will be displayed. But then I encountered one challenge while building this calculator, and that challenge is that if you click on this space with your mouse, see that blinking cursor? Once it's blinking like that, you can enter any rubbish and it will enter. It will work. This one is not under my control. I don't know whether I can control this one. I didn't find out how. But what I did was to place a check so that it does not execute. It will tell you this and then clear up everything. And what more? We have a power button here. Interesting. So we can switch off this calculator by pressing this power button. Notice that the inscription on the button changes to on because it is the same button that you use to put it on, and anything you press while it's off will not work anymore. Thank you so much for watching.